This video goes with the worksheet Activity 3.2, Observing Soda Water Fizzing. You need your worksheet to complete the activity. Fill out the steps as I do them. In Part A, Step 1 is to add soda water to an open Petri dish. I'll open the soda water. And pour it into one of the two Petri dishes. Then, turn on a digital scale so that it reads 0 grams. Place the Petri dish with soda water on the scale. Record the mass of the soda water and Petri dish in Part C. As you can see, the mass is 41.8 grams. Step 3 is to fill another Petri dish with blue BTB. To record the time and the color of the BTB in Part C. The time is 1:20 p.m. As you can see, the BTB is currently blue. Step 4, place the Petri dish with BTB next to the Petri dish with soda water in your container and close the container. When you put them in, be careful that you don't spill. You can see my soda water and my BTB are next to each other in the container. And I'm going to put the lid on and wait for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes, the time is now 1:44. Before we go on and find the results of the investigation, make sure you fill out letter B on the worksheet to record your macroscopic scale observations. You can either draw the two Petri dishes in the container or explain it in words. Number 5 in Part A says to observe the color of the BTB and record that in Part C. As I open up the container and look at the BTB compared to the original color, you can see that it's now a yellow or a greenish yellow color. Color of BTB after at 1:44 p.m. is greenish yellow. Step 6 says to remove the Petri dish with the soda water, place it on the digital scale, and record the mass in Part C. I'm going to carefully remove the Petri dish of soda water, place it on the scale. We can see that my final mass is still 41.8 grams. For Part D, use the class results on the website to answer questions 1 and 2. Because there wasn't a change in mass before, I wanted to wait an hour and see if there was a change in mass of my soda water. So here's my Petri dish of soda water after 1 hour, not after just 20 minutes. I'll put it on the balance. And you can see that it now weighs 41.7 grams. So the soda water is indeed losing mass.